are not just saying it's the animation films. We are just saying that a lot of these films जो बच्चों का baseline बन चुका है, that has become very expensive. But मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, अगर किला जैसे फिल्म आपने बात की, अगर 3-4 फिल्में ऐसे बनती है साल में और वो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे 10 लाख कुछ कमाती है, you'll see that no one will make these films. अगर कोई रिस्क लेके बनाना चाहता है तो ये फिल्में बनती हैं. The whole circle is completed when you actually see a box office potential. वरना ये फिल्में हम बनाएंगे, फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स को ले जाएंगे, लोग वाह वाह करेंगे और ये फिर they don't get a theatrical release. So that वो सर्कल कहीं कंप्लीट करना होगा. He mentioned a very important thing. पहले NFDC होता था. They used to make films without the fear of what would happen at the box office. और फिर भी ये films release होती थी. It's not that they were just made and not shown. Now that has disappeared. So we all have to go to the same multiplex where Shah Rukh will be playing with his next feature, and 300 rupees for a ticket is impossible.
हाँ, देखिए जैसा मैंने कहा कि इस पिक्चर को रिलीज कौन कर रहा है, कितने थिएटर में रिलीज हो रही है. अगर छोटे एक मॉर्निंग शो में रिलीज हो रही है तो बच्चा तो अकेले नहीं जाएगा ना, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ ही जाएगा ना, अकेले तो नहीं जाएगा बच्चा देखने. तो पेरेंट्स को एक तो उस तरह की वैल्यूज होनी चाहिए कि भाई हमको बच्चों को ये फिल्म दिखानी है. तो ब्लू माउंटेन को अवार्ड मिल जाएगा, रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिलेगा. आजकल बच्चों को अच्छी वैल्यूज देने के लिए पेरेंट्स भी तो वैसे होने चाहिए ना. पेरेंट्स तो बदल गए खुद ही.
मामी में तो एक पूरी चिल्ड्रन सेक्शन थी. सो या बॉम्बे आल्सो हैज हैड इट, एंड फर्स्ट एडिशन था इस बार वेयर दे हैड अ चिल्ड्रन सेक्शन and it was beautifully curated films. Yeah, so Bombay also has it. No, I think what Smile Foundation is doing is a wonderful way to actually educate children and expose them to a lot of different cultures and also issues associated with children. As adults, we are so cynical, but kids are fertile, their minds are open. And the best way to expose them to a lot of these interesting topics is through films. So I'm very, very excited to be a part of this initiative. I hope this film festival starts off well and then continues for many more years to come.
I'm supporting this festival because, see, watching film has become a very, very expensive thing. And nobody makes film for kids anymore in our country. When we were kids, there were children films shown in theaters. We used to go watch morning shows, watch Laurel Hardy or Tarzan or films by Children Film Society. So these kind of film festivals only aimed at children is a good initiative, because there the kids will come watch the film without paying too much money and interact with each other, interact with filmmakers, learn the craft of filmmaking in an innocent way. Probably it will encourage them and will probably trigger something in them, and they will one day become good filmmakers, or at least it will put that seed in them of watching aesthetically evolved cinema, whatever. So I think it's a good initiative and I support it fully.
मेरी लेटेस्ट फिल्म है धनक, जो हमने फरवरी में बर्लिन में प्रीमियर किया था, and it is a children's film. So actually to be associated with Smile Foundation at this moment is very good timing for me. But yeah, तो जैसे जैसे stories आएंगे and we feel passionate about it, I will keep making them.